right now, we do have a quiet start to the day and a pretty comfortable one at that. The sun is coming up and you can see it shining pretty nicely. There's still a little bit of this haze that we can kind of see around the sun and in the sky. And you may still notice some of that wildfire smoke around, but it's not affecting air quality quite as much today, thankfully. We are going to have some clouds passing through our skies, though, today as well, and that is going to be with a low pressure system swirling away to our north. Cold front's been moved through already, has already moved through, and that low pressure system is going to continue to swirl away, bringing in some passing clouds, maybe a few spotty showers, and lead to some breezy conditions through the day. Temperatures are sitting in the 50s at the moment, and we're going to warm nicely this afternoon, but not very far, mostly because of this northwest wind that is starting to pick up a bit to our northwest at 14 miles per hour in New Hampton, 13 in Fort Dodge, and everyone's going to be experiencing those winds increasing, and what's actually going to be a pretty pleasant day. It may not be the warmest day, but it will be pretty comfortable. Temperatures will make their way to around 70 degrees, mix of sun and clouds, overall pretty nice. And then getting into this evening, clear skies, nice and comfortable once again, temperatures dropping into the 50s. Nice open up the windows type of weather that we don't always get in June. And a lot of the reason for that has to do with the humidity levels, and dew points are going to be in the 40s, which is still in that great, comfortable, dry range. We'll make our way into the 50s as we kind of have a transition day Tuesday with those dew points, and our temperatures go up too. And then we'll make our way into the 60s with the dew points for the end of the week, which will not just indicate that it's going to feel sticky, but also indicate there's going to be moisture around for showers and storms. Today, the rain may struggle a little bit, just like it did this weekend because of the drier air in place, but a few spotty showers can't completely be ruled out. We'll then have some sunshine tomorrow. Temperatures make their way to around 80, and then our next system starts to approach Wednesday, and we'll get a push of warmth in the area with temperatures rising toward 90 degrees and a lot of warmth and mugginess building, and that will create some energy for showers and storms to develop as we head into Wednesday evening. And the potential exists that few storms could be on the strong side. There's a 1 out of 5 risk for severe weather that's been outlined for the state and much of eastern Iowa here, where some storms could produce some strong winds and hail. So something that we'll be watching closely. As we head into the end of the week, the chance for rain continues with showers and storms Thursday as well as Friday. A lot of this focused in the northern part of the area. We'll have then the chance for some scattered activity over the weekend. Doesn't seem quite as really widespread in coverage, but there may still be some rain around. We'll have something spotty possible today. Rain chances elevated Wednesday night into Thursday as well as Friday and Saturday. Temperatures hanging out in the 80s to around 90 degrees and getting a little cooler over the upcoming weekend.